Conversation. Using he, she, it in sentences. Situation. Two friends, Lisa and Tom, are looking at a photo album and talking about people and things in the pictures. Look at this picture. This is my brother.
Oh, who is he?
He is my older brother, David. He is 15 years old.
Nice. What does he like to do?
He likes to play football. He is very good at it.
That's cool. And who is she in this picture?
She is my sister, Emily. She is 10 years old.
She looks very kind. What does she like to do?
She loves to draw and paint. She is very creative.
Wow, your family is very talented. And what is this?
Oh, this is my pet cat. It is very cute.
Aw, what is its name?
Its name is Snowy. It is white like snow.
I love cats. It looks so fluffy.
Yes, it sleeps a lot and loves to play.
Your family and your cat are amazing.
Thank you, Tom. Grammar focus. Using he, she, it. He is used for boys and men. He is my brother. She is used for girls and women. She is my sister. It is used for animals, objects, or things. It is a cat.